Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week 3 for partial 4 for 6. Buenas tardes niños, vamos a hablar de la semana 3, parcial 4 para sexto de básica. Recuerde que su tarea ya está colgada en Live Worksheets. Si usted no lo tiene, tiene que realizarlo a mano y enviarme el WhatsApp. Va a ingresar con su usuario y su contraseña que usted ya tiene. Como usted ve, ya está creado. Está la tarea aquí, sexto C. Week 3, Partial 4. Today we speak about the pizza. Vamos a hablar acerca de la pizza, ¿ok, chicos? At the end of this lesson, students will be able to know about a little more about pizza. Vamos a conocer acerca de la pizza, su historia y los ingredientes que contiene. Bacon, tenemos bacon, pepperoni, mushroom, olives, tomato, peppers, jam, and onions. Vamos a unir, aquí nosotros tenemos onions. Este se llama mushroom. En español los conocemos como hongos y en inglés decimos mushrooms. Tenemos el tomate, que en inglés decimos tomato. Ya, le unimos. Luego tenemos las aceitunas, que en inglés decimos olives. Ya, tenemos las cebollas, que en inglés decimos onions. Tenemos los trocitos de carne de hornado de carne de chancho que nosotros en inglés vamos a decir pepperoni. Luego tenemos el jamón que en inglés decimos bacon. Luego tenemos los pimientos que en inglés decimos peppers. Y luego tenemos las salchichas que en inglés decimos jam. ¿Ya? Ham. Tenemos mushrooms, tomato, olives, onions, pepperoni, bacon, peppers, and ham. Read and do the exercise. Vamos a leer y hacer los ejercicios que se encuentran acá abajo. ¿Ya? The first pizza were very simple. They were flat bread with herbs and olives on the top. In the 1000s, 6000s, American explorers brought tomatoes to Italy, and then the Italians put tomatoes on the top of the flat bread. In 1889, Rafael Esposito created the pizza margherita for Queen Margherita of Italy. He had tomatoes, mozzarella, cheese, and basil. That represents the red, white, and green colors of the Italian flag. People sought pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Naples. In the 1890s, they could eat from a large plate and put mushroom or olives on the top. Pizza became more popular and there were a lot of pizza makers. They sold pizza in small kiosks around the city of Naples. 3. Read the text and choose the sentence with the correct information in the text. Vamos a leer y a ver cuál es la oración que está correcta. The first pizza had herbs and cheese on the top. The first pizza had herbs and olives in the top. And the first pizza had herbs and mushroom on the top. The answer is the first pizza had herbs and olives. This is the correct. Number 2. In 1819, Americans brought tomatoes to Italy. In 1818, Americans brought tomatoes to Italy. In 1600s, Americans brought tomatoes to Italy. In the 16th, American explorers brought tomatoes to Italy. This is the correct answer. Now, pizza margherita had tomatoes, mozzarella, cheese, and basil. Pizza margherita has tomatoes, cheese, and spinach. Pizza margherita has mushroom, cheese, and spinach on the top. The correct answer is the first. In the 1819, bakers sold pizza only for breakfast. In 1819, bakers sold pizza for breakfast and dinner, and in 1819, bakers sold pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is the correct answer. Here, pizza maker sold pizza in a small kiosk in Rome. Pizza maker sold pizza in kiosk in USA, and pizza maker sold pizza in small kiosk in Annapolis. This is the correct answer. Ya no se olvidará. Vamos acá. Find the vocabulary. Vamos a buscar todas estas palabras en la sopa de letras. Ya tenemos pepper, mushroom, oven, onions, pepperoni, hamburger, ham, pizza, cheese, olives, bake, crust, pineapple, sausage, and tomato sauce. Entonces vamos a buscar las palabras en la sopa de letras. ¿Ya? Vamos, chicos, tenemos la primera. Pineapple, ¿ya? Vamos a buscar pineapple. Luego tenemos hamburger. Vamos a buscar hamburger. Luego tenemos tomato. Busca tomato. Luego tenemos sauce. Luego nosotros tenemos jam. Tiene pizza, onions, tiene olives, acá abajo le aparece mushrooms, luego tiene sausage, luego nosotros tenemos cheese, tiene pepperoni, crust, bake, ¿ya? Ha encontrado todos los ingredientes que nosotros utilizamos para la pizza. Ya, vamos acá, chicos. Match the picture with the vocabulary. Ya, tenemos, this is pizza. Ya, this is cheese. This is onion. This is tomatoes. This is pineapple. This is olives. This is rolling pin. And this is flour. Ya, le voy a poner aquí. Vamos acá. Read the article about the pizza and choose the correct answer. Making pizza. We're making pizza. First, we make the dough with flour and eggs. We flame the dough into the round shape. Then, we put tomato sauce and cheese on the top. The pizza goes into the oven. In few minutes, it is ready to eat. Yeah. What do you use to make a pizza dough? With dough and flour and eggs. This is flour and eggs. What do we put in the top of the pizza? Tomato sauce and cheese. Where do we cook pizza? In the oven. Yeah. This is all, guys. La plasta terminado. Y eso es todo, chicos.